how to log into Shopify account using Google on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log into your Shopify account using Google on your mobile device. Let's get started. Step 1, open your mobile browser like Chrome or Safari and go to shopify.com. Step 2, tap on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Step 3, on the login screen, tap Chat Continue with Google Store. Step 4, choose your Google account from the list. If your account isn't listed, tap Use Another Account and sign in with your Google email and password. Step 5, once you sign in, Shopify will verify your Google account and take you straight to your Shopify dashboard. If you have multiple stores, it may ask you to select one. And that's it! You're now logged into your Shopify account using Google on your mobile device. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.